This is an Amazon wig purchase. This is a Freetress Equal U-part wig. This is a protective hairstyle for natural hair growth. For this tutorial, you will need these few items. If you want a protective hairstyle for natural hair growth, this U-part wig is an option. It's cheap and it looks good. Before you install any wig, you must moisturize and seal your hair under the wig to keep the hair hydrated and to prevent the hair from drying out. I encourage you spritzing it with water or spritzing it with something under the wig as the days go by to making sure you keep your hair hydrated. As you can see, I am going to braid my hair under the wig. Some of you may not want to braid your hair. You might just want to do a ponytail and fold the hair. I will be leaving this U-part wig for about 6 weeks to get the natural hair growth by leaving my hair alone. As you can see, you can use flexi rods for your leave out if you're doing a no heat leave out. Later on in the video, you're going to see that the flexi rod was not a better option. I should have used the magnetic rollers. So if you are going to do a U-part wig like this one, do a magnetic roller for your no heat leave out. This is the unit. It has these rubber bands here that I'm going to clip off. The unit comes with clips like this. I'm going to attach the unit to my braids in order to secure the unit. So that is why it's best to braid your hair on the wig. Okay, and so this is what the wig is looking like so far. But as you can see, the flexi rods are very curly. I'm gonna have some difficulty blending that. That is why I encourage you to do the magnetic roller as an option when you are doing a U-part wig. If you're doing a no heat leave out. As you can see, I am having some difficulty blending my hair with the unit. Let me know in the comments what I should have done with my leave out if you are accustomed to using U-part wigs. I'm doing this U-part Freetress Equal unit for the first time right out of the package, and this is what it's looking like so far. So remember, this is a U-part wig that you're doing from the Freetress Equal line. We're doing a protective hairstyle for natural hair growth. So if you want natural hair growth, this is an option using a U-part wig if you don't want a wig with a frontal. So this is the first look. Not so bad. And this is how long the unit is. It's pretty soft. It feels very silky, but it gets tangled at the ends. And so this is what my hair is looking like. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.